In the Netherlands, food is more than a meal. It is trade. It is tradition. It is craftsmanship. It is stories passed from generation to generation.
Wat is nou de Nederlandse eetcultuur? Daar is zoveel over te vertellen. Over de producten, over de mensen erachter, maar ook over de technieken.
Welcome to the Cooking Dutchman. In one of the professional cooking studios of Jonathan Carpathios, guests are welcomed into the world of Dutch flavors. Before we cook, we taste. The flavors that shaped our culture. Amsterdam was once called the Sour City, a place of preservation, of pickling, of trade. Through the VOC, spices like cloves, nutmeg and cinnamon traveled across the world and changed Dutch cuisine forever. Dutch comfort food at its best. A sweet souvenir of your Dutch experience. For those who want to go deeper, from Dutch soil. The Cooking Dutchman is not just about recipes. It's about stories, about sharing, about tasting history.